2026 BMW X5. You've bought yourself a very nice daily driver that hauls kids, hauls family, and takes whatever stuff you need in the car, and you want to keep it pristine. What do? Today we're going to be doing paint protection film on the full front end of this brand new BMW so that it stays pristine. So the BMW X5 competes against cars like the Mercedes GLE, Audi Q7, but I think that the X5 is styled the absolute best, and the fit and finish is sublime. And so in this video, we're going to be doing full front end paint protection film to protect this brand new, beautiful BMW from rock chips, scratches, swirl marks, and scuffs. This type of physical damage can greatly ruin the finish of a brand new vehicle. And so today we're going to be doing a full protection package so that it stays pristine, and we're going to take you behind the scenes to show you how our software can really have us go the extra mile when we're doing these installs. So every service here at Humble Car Auto Spa starts with a great prep. So we're going to be cleaning the wheels and tires first using a brush and dedicated wheel cleaners that dissolve the brake dust, and then we're going to be rinsing it off so that this car's wheels are clean. And we start with wheels because it's the dirtiest area of the vehicle, and we don't want those contaminants going through the rest of the vehicle and causing any kind of scratches. We're also going to be foaming the vehicle, so we rinse off the vehicle, we do a full foam. The foam dissolves dirt, and so as we go to wash it with a mitt, because that dirt has been dissolved and lifted off the panel, it's far easier for us to clean, and also it mitigates any chances of swirl marks and scratches during the wash process. Next, we're going to be doing a clay bar, or in this instance, a clay mitt. The clay bar removes embedded contaminants that are stuck to the paint that don't come out with a wash, and this step is ultra important when we are doing paint protection film to make sure that we don't seal in those contaminants. So we are using Core software to cut out these pre-cut kits for this X5, but we're actually doing something a little special. We're extending the edges of some of these panels so that they can be tucked, and I'll show you what that looks like behind the scenes later, but this software is very important to make sure that we get a very good install. So we're applying PPF onto this fender. We are using the body lines on this vehicle to line up corners and edges to make sure everything falls into place before we seal it in. Once the corners get laid and everything looks aligned, we're going to align the X5 badge. Do you see this little side piece? It's very important that the film, the cutout, is perfect around that. That's one area that I check for later when I'm looking for the accuracy of the alignment. So with everything lined up, we are now going to evacuate the rest of this slip solution. So this solution that you're seeing, this soapy water, allows us to manipulate the film and position it into place, because once we squeegee it, we actually activate the adhesive. This allows us to move it freely, position it into place, and then squeegee it shut. With all the slip solution out, we're going to go ahead and tuck the film up top and also where the fender meets the door. And so these tucked edges are really great because aesthetically they look invisible, but more importantly, tucked film is less likely to catch and lift, giving this PPF install better durability over a long period of time. Moving on to the hood, it's very important that we do extra prep. So you can see we're going to be removing that front badge so everything gets tucked in one clean piece. We're also going to be clay barring the vehicle just to make sure that surface is extra clean despite our proper prep in the beginning. So with the fenders being a kit, the hood we actually install in one big bulk piece. And we like doing PPF this way because it allows for not only clean, even coverage, but for custom installs as well. So all of our standard installations will have custom installs on the hood. So we're going to do a 4-corner stretch to get the film over the entire panel in one cohesive sheet. Then we're going to squeegee everything out just like before, and once we're done doing that, we are going to trim by hand so that we can tuck the film around the perimeter of this hood. Moving on to the front bumper, a lot of the alignment things that we were looking for in the fenders translates to this piece as well. And so when we are laying these pieces, we have to make sure the alignment is perfect pretty much everywhere. The mirrors are also going to be getting a custom installation, and if you look, we actually do it in two pieces. So there is a seam right where the body line, where the mirror is. So if you look, it's actually split right in half. Doing it in two pieces allows for better durability over time, and we have to make sure that that seam comes very close to one another. We want to make sure the seam is very tight, but doing it this way allows for the film to be laid over that panel without stressing out too much, which means that it will not lift over time. With the full front end installed, now it's time to go through and bake all of our edges with a heat gun. Now this step is very crucial. This baking allows the adhesive to really activate and stick so that all of those tucked edges stay tucked once we're done installing the PPF. Now that it's finished, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down, and let's take a look at this install up close. And that, you guys, is how we do full front end paint protection film on these brand new BMW X5s. I freaking love these cars. I'm legitimately contemplating buying an X5 as my own daily driver, and I would probably buy it just like this and drive it gray. Let me show you the details of our work up close. So because we've extended the edges beforehand when we did the install, all of this edge right here is tucked nice and neat. You can't even tell there's PPF anywhere here, and that's the way we like to do it. And believe it or not, this is our standard install. That's what it looks like. When I do my quality control, I always check for the alignment around this trim right here. But as you can see, my team did a fantastic job. It is very, very flush with that edge. Like you saw earlier in the install, we are taking that badge out. We'll put the badge back on once we're done with this video, but you can see this is what I like to see. No air bubbles up in here, and the film trimmed all the way to here. Now that is a tucked and awesome install. You can see this corner here because we've trimmed the corner and tucked the film on both sides of that corner. That is how tight our corners get. Even this one right here, this one we did the kit, we aligned it up very sharp, and it's actually tucked on this backside right here. That is how we do our corners here at Humboldt Auto Spa here in Plano. Even the mirrors are cut really nice. So this is all laid in two pieces. There's a seam right on the body line, but you can barely even tell that it's there. So we have it tucked all the way to the backside here, giving us a very clean installation. The sensors we actually hand cut. It's easier for alignment and it gives us a tighter install, so check that out. That is looking super clean. I'm also checking for alignment on these edges all right here, which look absolutely spot on. We're also laying PPF to the front part of this gloss black. Now on gloss black, this is where PPF is fantastic. Not only does it physically protect from rock chips, but it also can self-heal minor swirl marks and scratches, keeping this finish crystal clear. And that, you guys, is our work up close. So if you want paint protection film to protect your new car from rock chips, scuffs, and scratches, and you want it to look really clean, we're definitely the shop for you. To say I'm a specialist at BMWs is an understatement. I've had 3 M cars, 2 M2s and an M3. So we definitely know what we're talking about when we're working with these cars. A job like this will generally take about 2 business days, but we can definitely knock you out fast. We generally book about 2 weeks out. So if you want this kind of work, we're the shop for you. It's Jesse, the Beamer expert, and I will catch you later.